Good day, Kabarangay. Welcome to Vox Sofia. And today, especially to my fellow stroke warrior, I would like to share with you this thought as a rebuttal to the group chat, to our group chat. It's so, my answer is so long. And so I put this in record, in Reels. So the question was, not the question but an expression was, mahirap daw yung pinagdadalasan ng mga stroke. Kaya self-pity sila. Yes, subalit, mas mahirap, may mga kalagayan na mas mahirap sa kalagayan natin. Sa atin ay physical discomforts. True. Subalit, may mga ibang physical discomfort dyan na dinananas ng mga nasa nagde-dialysis. Mas discomfort yun. Mas discomfortable yon. Tsaka yung mga nagpapakemo, mas malala yon kaysa kalagayan ng mga stroke. Kaya huwag ka magpasyadong mapabebe. And the one line that helped me, that I hope it might help you, the line from the writer of the effective habits, 7 effective habits of effective 7 habits of effective people by, forgot the guy. The line was, which was repeated by Dale Carnegie, or he could have lifted from Dale Carnegie's line. It runs, seek to understand before you will have to be understood. Diba? Seek to understand. Unawain mo muna bago ikaw ay maunawaan. Yung skill na yon, yung isang skill na yan, can save you many folds of stress in life. Well, it happened to me. It might help you. Yun lang po. Hallelujah. Seek to understand before you be understood. 7 habits of effective people. I forgot the guy. Anyway, alam nyo na yun. Bye-bye.